Alright, so today's plan is to replace the valve cover gaskets and paint them, because if you can see, they leak quite a bit, especially on that side. But you can see all kinds of gunk built up from them seeping and whatever. Plus they're kind of nasty looking, so when we get them off and paint them, just kind of clean up the engine bay a little bit, make it look a little nicer. I still need to replace those two hoses with overspray on them, but I think that'll make a nice difference when I get those off and cleaned up. Got the one side off. There's rubber gaskets, and you can definitely see where it was leaking, but everything under here looks really good. You can see this is kind of dirty. Oh crap, I got crap flying away. Okay, got the valve cover off the driver's side. Everything looks really good in here. You can see they use a rubber gasket. I got cork, a Velcro cork one. But you can definitely see where it was leaking. Like I said, everything looks good under there. Inside the valve cover is dirty. Who knows, it's probably never been off, but get that cleaned up and get it prepped to be painted, and then I'll do the other side. So you can see they're pretty rough looking, especially at the back. This old gasket, it's really dry, hard. It's no wonder it's leaking. But get this cleaned up, get some of this loose paint knocked off, and should be looking way better. Alright, there's the finished product. They are not perfect. You can really see the chipping away paint, or I didn't get totally smooth when I sanded it, but looks a heck of a lot better than it did, and I'm pretty happy with it for the short amount of time it took.